The Silverback NXT 54-inch basketball hoop is a top-tier in-ground hoop that offers an arena-style look and performance, installing directly into the ground and secured by concrete for increased stability and strength. The hoop features a powder-coated steel pole, enhancing its durability and longevity. One of the standout features of this hoop is its 54-inch wide by 33-inch high infinity edge backboard, which folds backward for increased rigidity. The height of the hoop is adjustable with an all-steel crank actuator allowing for adjustments from 7.5 feet to 10 feet, meeting both NBA and NCAA regulation rim heights. The assembly process of the Silverback NXT is designed to be as convenient as possible, with the hoop coming partially assembled and all necessary hardware included. The hoop also features a pro-style breakaway rim that flexes under pressure, similar to professional-style rims, which not only protects the backboard, but also prevents player injuries.